buddies. We're gonna watch what movie? Under Mariana. Meet, greet, and bye. Let's see who will cry later. I think Amber's gonna cry too. I don't know. But she will not understand the movie. It's Tagalog. Just a little bit. You will not understand the movie. Yan, si Mother. Nakakapanood ng Meet, Greet, and Bye. Si Piolo. Ito na. Ano yung sila Kuya Ramon na lang. O magbibideo tayo. We're here. We're gonna watch the movie Meet, Greet, and Bye. Naman na. Dito kasi magano tayo. After inumiyak. Right. Lola did not cry. Why did you cry? Which part did you cry? The end part? Oh yeah. What can you say about the movie?
Sad, very sad.
Very sad. How about you, Amber? What can you say? She didn't understand. How about you? What can you say about the movie?
It's a good movie.
Did you cry? Huh? Are you serious? How about you? Did you cry? Grabe yung mata. Grabe yung pogi ni Piolo. Umpisa pa lang. How about you, Kuya? What can you say about the movie?
It's good.
It's good? You cried? Ate, what can you say about the movie?
Oh, it's very nice.
Brother Curbs, what can you say?
Oh, nakakaiyak eh.
Oh, what can you say about the movie? What can you say about the movie, Mama? Never touch. Say about the movie. Sabi mo. Hindi kayo.
Kayo ng tuwalya. Huwag kayo ng ginito para may
Grabe. Pinipigilan ko yung iyak ko. Sabi ko hindi ako iyak. Wala eh. Ano sabi mo? Si Jerry ko lang makakapagpaiyak. Pero napaiyak ka ni ano.
kuha ako ng tubo.
Grabing movie.
Magandang story. Gusto mo yung story ah?